Back to that breaking news we shared at the top of the show.
Yeah, Washington County jury reaching a verdict in the trial of a former West Fork police officer charged with negligent homicide. 5 News reporter Jacob Luthi has been inside the courtroom all day and has an update for us. Jacob, what's going on?
Yeah, guys, just after 2 p.m. today, the jury went to deliberate in this case and came back around 3:50 p.m. just before 4, and they found former West Fork police officer Chris Cordeiro not guilty of negligent homicide. Cordeiro was visibly shaken up as the verdict was read. He was seen crying as long as being held by his attorneys, and later kind of just, falling down, just sitting on his chair with his hands in his head, crying, visibly shaken up, visibly emotional. Again, this trial has gone on for 2 days, so a lot of testimony from witnesses yesterday and today. This morning, defense attorneys began by calling 2 witnesses who were near the scene on December 29th, 2022. This is when this situation began. The 2 witnesses that were called by the defense today both said that they believed Cordeiro was justified in his actions. In the closing arguments, prosecuting attorney Matthew Durrett argued that instead of de-escalating the situation, Cordeiro made things worse, adding that there was a standard of care that Cordeiro did not follow. Meanwhile, defense attorneys reiterated that Cordeiro did not commit a crime, but instead was just doing his job. Defense added that several factors presented in a medical examiner's testimony led to Hannah's death, including complications from heart disease, illicit drug use, and exertion from the event that happened on December 29th, 2022. We're still waiting to hear from prosecuting attorney Matt Durrett. We're hoping to speak with him and a little bit later, hoping to get his take on this event. But again, former West Fork police officer Chris Cordeiro found not guilty of negligent homicide in the death of Michael Hannah.